Here we go. Our first one is parallel and perpendicular through a point. And let's get started. What is the equation? So they're asking for the equation of the line that passes through this point. That's the x value, that's the y value, and is parallel to this line right here. Well, the first thing I need to do is I need to find out what the slope is of this equation, and it's not in slope-intercept form. So the first thing I need to do is make that equation into slope-intercept form so I can see what the slope is. Basically, we're solving for y here, so I'll go ahead and subtract x from both sides. Move everything that's not attached to y over first. Make sure the x comes first. And then I'm going to divide by -4 to get y by itself. That's the opposite of multiply by -4. Every term gets divided by -4. So I now have y equals. I want to move this out in front. Dividing by 4 is the same thing as multiplying by 1/4. And a negative, they just go away. So that's a 1/4 x. And that's a 4 divided by -4 is -1. All right. So there's my slope. Y equals, slope is m, x plus b. All right, and that's my b right there. All right, what is the equation of a line that passes through that point and is parallel to this right here? So it has to be parallel to this. So we know it has to have that same slope. So it has that same slope right there. And then these are the other values I need. So always we're looking for m, which we already have. It's parallel, it's the same. And we need to find the b. So we use this input and output into this function, and we just kind of fill everything else. We're looking for the b, basically. So I'll go ahead and start over with my equation, y equals mx plus b. Remember, we're looking for b here. Y is -1. Y is -1 equals m is 1/4. X is -8. It's an ugly 8, but that's what it is. It's a -8. And plus b, when we have that b, then we'll be able to plug in m and b, and we're done. All right, so this turns into -1 equals 1/4 times -8. A number times a fraction goes to the top. So it's -8/4 plus b. And that's -1 equals -2. -8 divided by 4 is -2 plus b. And then I add 2 to both sides. Plus 2 plus 2. -1 plus 2 turns into b is equal to 1. All right, so now I have everything I need. M is 1/4. I found that over here. B is 1. I found that right here. And then it's just a matter of writing it out. Y equals 1 divided by 4. X plus our b was 1. So it's parallel, has the same slope, and it goes through that point. Got it.